Right, we're back on Sandwich Lakes. One dam's in again, 2 pegs up from where I was on the last match. Filling in for a friend of mine. It's a league match. It's an end peg. This is a bit of a hit and miss kind of peg. Either you get loads or you lose loads, one of the two. Let's see how we get on. I've got primarily, it's going to be a bit windy today. 3 feeder rods. I've got far line, one in the corner here, or just in between the reeds. I've got 2 pole lines, 10 metre skimmers. I've got an edge line just down here. See how we go on. Catch you later. We're 15 minutes in, that's my second skimmer. Far line. Into the method feeder. Ground bait mix for the far line is standard caramel. I dyed it red. We're almost 2 hours in. And I've got about 12 pounds. Most of that's roach and green. One F1, I think I've got another F1 on now. The wind's making things a little bit tricky. On a small pellet feeder. From the pellet. Got no idea how the rest of the sections get on. We're almost 3 hours in. I think I've got roughly 18 pounds. I've had to keep swapping lines. I haven't been able to film much because it's been that windy. You wouldn't have heard a word I said anyway. Most of the time I've just been catching on the pole. I'm still using my mix I used last week. Well, not last week, last match. Which is Primo yellow. A bit of brown crumb in there. Not as good as the other match I had. feel like a breeze. Oh, it is. Minutes to go. I think I've got about 35 pounds so far. I think I've got enough one on here. Oh, that's great. I don't know how the rest of the guys are done. No idea. Go down the edge again. Right, that one cart down there. Ready?
That's 23.
Yeah, I'll set it right. That's what
He's got 3 X1. Total weight 29.8.
What are they resting over there?